Welcome at our Mobility Center. We are here at the Center of Clinical Neuroscience at Dresden Neurological University Clinic. We are here very much interested in mobility problems of our patients with multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is a disease which often affects walking, and that's why we have developed a lot of analytical possibilities here to monitor walking impairment in our patients.
The human gait is subject to complex movement processes. Therefore, our team here at the Center of Clinical Neurosciences is made up of academic physiotherapists, medical engineers, study assistants, and doctors who work closely together in research projects to carry out and evaluate movement analyses. In our gait lab, we carry out multidimensional gait analyses. An 8-meter carpet with 30,000 integrated pressure sensors is used to record basic gait parameters such as walking speed and step length.
One variation is the asymmetric gait. This can be recognized by a step length difference between the left and right leg. If there are balance problems, we can recognize this on the Romberg test by an enlarged measure sway area on the one hand and on the other hand by a prolonged stance leg phase.
The 6 portable Mobility Lab sensors, on the other hand, detect irregularities in arm swing and provide information about deviations and trunk movements. They can also measure gait in the open air. We also use activity trackers, which are worn on the wrist for 24 hours a day to collect measurable information about the effect of our therapies. Gait apps are becoming increasingly important. An example is the app MS Connectom, in which MS study patients can perform small gait tests at home. More detailed movement and posture analyses are performed on the Deers 4D Motion treadmill. A common symptom in MS patients is motor fatigue over time. A research project is investigating to what extent endurance exercises of 15 minutes change the movement pattern while walking.
With the special gait analyzing system, Deers 4D Motion, it is possible to view 3D pictures of the spine, of the pelvis, and also the foot load, so you can see details of the gait which are not really identifiable for the human eye. In this radiation-free investigation, we take the focus more on the dynamic measurement than the posture.
The interaction of the agonist and antagonist muscles plays an important role in a coordinated gait. In order to analyze this, we, as the first neurological institution in Germany, carry out jump analyses on a force measuring plate.
In different jump variations, muscle strength, coordination, balance, as well as neuromuscular control are objectively assessed. The most challenging part, depending on the disability status scale of the MS patients, is jumping on one leg with maximum force.
Using special analysis software, ground reaction curves are visualized and over 90 biomechanical parameters are evaluated.
In addition to the individual evaluation of gait and jumping performance for the patient, research questions are also addressed, for example, with regard to fall predictions. Besides conventional statistical methods, we also use artificial intelligence for data processing. Therefore, we work in close cooperation with partner institutes at CTU Dresden. In the future, we also look forward to working with new project partners to target patient mobility and create neurorehabilitation approaches.